Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. So let me ask you this question. What would you expect a good trading tool to do for you? Well, for me, a good trading tool is one that tells me where the market is going to trade on any given day. And one of my favorite and best trading tools is a calculation based on Taylor's book method plus some smoothing averages to make the numbers more accurate. And let me show you what my trading tool has done for me over the past 3 days. On Thursday, April 14th, my trading tool gave me a profit of 58 points. That's worth $290 for one micro E-mini contract or $2,900 for one E-mini contract. Well, how about other days? On Wednesday, April 13th, my trading tool gave me a 55-point profit that was worth $275 for one micro E-mini contract and $2,750 for one E-mini contract. And what about the day before? Well, for Tuesday, April 12th, my trading tool gave me a profit of 60 points. That's worth $300 for one micro E-mini contract or $3,000 for one E-mini contract. So for 3 days, all together, my trading tool was worth $850 for one micro E-mini contract or $8,500 for one E-mini contract. To me, that's a valuable trading tool, and I bet it would be for you too. If you'd like to use this trading tool and try it out for 1 week absolutely free, it's available for you to use at timelessdollar.com. Go to my site at timelessdollar.com and find the link on the nav bar marked Trading Zone Subscription. When you subscribe, you'll try it for the first week absolutely free, and if you decide to continue, the cost is ridiculously low. In 3 days, this trading tool has made an 865-point profit, and it just basically tells you where the market is going to trade on any given day. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.